Milled to a tolerance of 15 microns, the heart of a new kind of hairdryer is a 13-blade axial flow impeller. It spins up to 110,000 times per minute with one inaudible frequency. So it's faster and lighter than some other motors, which sit in the head and can make them top-heavy. Engineered for balance, this motor sits comfortably in the handle. Motor vibration is reduced, while air temperature is monitored 20 times a second and regulated by a microprocessor, which helps prevent extreme heat damage to protect natural shine. There's even space in the head for air multiplier technology to triple airflow for fast drying. Dyson Supersonic.